welcome back to the vlog. I hope you had a lovely Sunday. Now we are back. It is the beginning of the week. It is actually Sunday afternoon while I'm filming this. You'll be watching this Monday morning, but it is time for another wardrobe chat. And this week it's a little bit different because we are going away at the end of the week. We're going to the coast for, where are we going? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, for 5 days. So I needed some outfits that I could pack, and I didn't want to pack like a whole lot because I also have to pack for Hallie and Andy, and it's just easier if I'm really conscious with how I am packing my clothes, not bringing 50,000 different outfits. So this week's wardrobe chat is a little bit different to how I normally run it with 5 different outfits. We are looking at items of clothing and how we can use those items of clothing to create different outfits. Now, I don't know if you've heard about the Sudoku packing method. It was all over my Instagram for a while there, but basically what it is 3 pants, 3 tops, 3 layers. You can add a dress or other things into that as well, but I've just kept it as top, bottom, layer for the sake of packing. With those 3 different categories, 3 items in each category, so it ends up being like 3x3 grid, you can create 7 different outfits, and I'm sure you could probably create more depending on the types of layers you choose, whether you choose oversized shirts or jackets or cardigans or things like that. So let me show you what I have chosen for my week of dressing and what I am going to pack to take down to the beach with us. Now, I know it's August, so in Australia it is winter. Typically it would be cold, however the Gold Coast is not super cold, and the apartment that we stay in gets a lot of sun, so the apartment's actually quite warm, so I didn't need to pack like cool stuff. I say that now, watch me eat my words. Watch us get down there and it'd be like absolutely freezing. Anyway, with the Sudoku packing method as well, I have seen it's lots of neutrals, so it's basically just a really tiny capsule wardrobe. However, I didn't want to just wear neutral clothing the whole time we're away, so I've lent into like bluish colors as well. Again, I kind of see that as a little bit neutral, but where the fun is going to come in is I'm going to pack a whole heap of accessories, because that is one of my goals for spring summer, is to lean into accessories and have lots of fun playing with accessories, layering with accessories, and just elevating my outfits with those different types of things: shoes, scarves, jewelry, just having some fun with those aspects to brighten up my outfits. Tops that I am bringing with me, I am bringing this cobalt blue long sleeve top from Feather and Noise. This is one of my favorites at the moment. I'm waiting for the white long sleeve top to come back in my size. I'm taking my baby blue dish oversized shirt. So this is a good piece to put into a packing wardrobe because it doubles as obviously an oversized shirt, but also doubles as a layer. And then the last piece that I'm taking is just a plain white singlet. Now, I deliberated as to whether to put a singlet in, or I did have my off the shoulder country road top, which is just like a nicer t-shirt virtually, and I was like, oh, what do I put in? And I might put both in, but for the moment I'm just going to put the singlet in because I can wear that as a layer underneath the oversized shirt or underneath the layers, whereas this is a little bit, because it's off the shoulder, it doesn't quite work as well as a layering piece. This one's going to get a workout come summer. I just bought it in the wrong season. Pants or bottoms. We have actually the bottoms that I have on. I'm going to bring these ones because they're very, very comfortable. And then the other 2 are just these seed barrel leg trousers. I like them because they have a bit of an elasticized waist, so they're very comfortable. And then just a white midi skirt. And then for my layering pieces, I'm going to bring my cream jacket from Verge Girl, my red cardigan, and my brown cardigan. So with those pieces, these are the different outfits that we can create. We can go top, bottom, layer. Easy done. We can also go top, bottom, layer. We can also go top, bottom, layer. See what I mean? One base, change the jacket, you've got 3 different outfits. We can also go top bottom layout with the oversized shirt. These are all great because I feel like they're all very coastal outfits as well. Very easy chuck on, lovely. If we swap out the pants for the white skirt, same thing, use that white singlet, white skirt, chuck the top over the top. There's another outfit. This is, I think, is definitely going to be a favorite. Then, of course, if we want like an all cream outfit, we've got that. Nice. And then, of course, we've got the 2 cardigans as well, depending on what we want to do there. So lots of different outfits to play around with those ones. And then, of course, blue top. Both of those bottoms work superbly with that blue top, so you've got an outfit there. Also, with these pants, this blue top works fantastically. This blue top works fantastically. The white singlet, blue top over the top, like just we're rolling in outfits. So I think that's actually a very good way to pack. And it's really not that much, which is fantastic. Like, I will wear an outfit down, so I will only be packing 2 tops, 2 bottoms, 2 layers. So it actually works quite well. Shoe-wise, I don't want to go overboard, so I will be packing 2 pairs of shoes. Going my trusty Adidas Sambas. I've had these ones for quite a few years now, and they're a staple in my wardrobe, so I'll be packing them. Then I'll be packing my well-worn leather thongs. These were my favorite summer shoe. I have worn them, as you can see, to absolute death. I need to replace them, but while they are still living and breathing, they will get worn. They are absolutely fantastic and will come with me as well. Accessories wise, I've been loving this scarf. This scarf actually works super well with this cobalt blue top and white skirt. I really love that outfit. Also around the neck, I don't know how much I would wear that down the coast, but could be fun. It could be fun to do the whole like head thing. Does that work for me? I don't know. Maybe. Give it a try. You try things when you're on holiday. So I'll be taking that scarf. Also be taking all of my normal jewelry, but I am going to take some beaded necklaces that I have and pendant necklaces that I have. This is just all costume jewelry that I've picked up from like Sports Girl or Kmart or Cotton On. I don't spend a lot on costume jewelry because you really don't need to. I mean, that is a great necklace that you can either spend $150 on, or you could spend $20 on and you would not know where it's from. I've also got a cap that I don't quite know where it is at the moment, but it's red, so I will take that with me as well as another little accessory piece. And I think I said just all of my normal gold jewelry as well that I wear every day. So that is what I will be packing for the coast. Of course, I will also have like pajamas and activewear and other things, the essentials, the boring stuff in there as well, but we'll pack that later on in the week, probably on Tuesday when we finalize the packing. But they are all of the outfits that I'm going to take with me. So that is the end of this vlog. Thank you for tuning in, and let's have another wonderful week together. Hope you have a great Monday when you're watching this, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye friends.